Hey there, fellow travelers! If you've ever thought about packing your bags and starting a new adventure abroad, then this video is for you. Today, we're diving into something incredible: countries that actually pay you to live there. Whether you're young or old, single or married, a seasoned globetrotter, or just starting out, there's something here for everyone.
Moving to a new country can be daunting, but what if you could make that dream move and get paid for it? Yes, it's real. Several countries offer incentives like cash grants, tax breaks, and even free land to attract new residents.
But it's not just about the money. It's about finding the right fit for your lifestyle, whether you're after the hustle and bustle of a city or the tranquility of a countryside. Let's start with Italy, specifically the Molise region, a hidden gem in southern Italy. Towns like Castel del Giudice, Roccasecura, and San Giovanni in Galdo are offering an amazing incentive. If you're willing to move to one of these charming villages and start a small business, the local government will pay you up to 25,000 euros over 3 years, 8,000 euros per year. Imagine running a cozy bed and breakfast or an artisan shop in one of these stunning locations. Next, we're heading to Spain. Ever dreamed of living in the lush, green landscapes of Asturias or the serene beauty of Galicia? In the town of Ponga, nestled in Asturias, young couples are being offered 3,000 euros to move there, with an additional 3,000 euros for every child born or adopted after they relocate. And in Rubia, Galicia, the town offers 150 euros per month for new residents, plus a 100 euro bonus for each child under 18. These towns are perfect for those looking to embrace a slower pace of life with a deep sense of community. Now let's sail over to Greece. If you've ever dreamed of island life, Antikythera might just be your paradise. This remote island between Crete and the Peloponnese is offering families 500 euros a month for 3 years, along with free land and housing. The catch? You'll need to be ready to embrace traditional island life, from fishing to agriculture. But if the idea of waking up to the sound of waves and the warmth of the Mediterranean sun sounds appealing, this could be the perfect escape. For the entrepreneurs out there, Chile has an incredible offer through its Startup Chile program. This program offers $40,000 in equity-free funding to innovative startups, plus a 1-year visa and a workspace in Santiago, Valparaiso, or Concepcion. It's perfect for tech innovators looking to break into the Latin American market while enjoying all the natural beauty and vibrant culture Chile has to offer. Last but not least, let's head to the Swiss Alps, where the village of Albinen in the canton of Valais is offering a lucrative deal. If you're under 45 and willing to commit to living in Albinen for at least 10 years, the village will pay you 25,000 Swiss francs, about $28,000 per adult, and 10,000 Swiss francs, about $11,000 per child. That's a potential payout of 70,000 Swiss francs, about $78,000 for a family of 4. The only requirement is that you buy or build a property worth at least 200,000 Swiss francs, about $220,000. Picture yourself living in a cozy chalet surrounded by some of the most stunning scenery in the world. Before you start packing, there are a few key things to consider to make sure this adventure is right for you. What's the pace of life like? Will you be comfortable in a rural setting, or do you need the buzz of a city? Getting paid to move doesn't mean you skip the paperwork. Make sure you understand the visa process. Even with financial incentives, how far will your money go? Look into the cost of living in your chosen country. Can you communicate easily? How different is the culture from what you're used to? Especially important for families, how good are the local schools and healthcare services? Even though these offers sound amazing, it's crucial to be aware of the potential pitfalls. It's easy to overlook how different daily life can be. Do your homework, visit the country first if you can, and prepare yourself mentally. Ask yourself, is this move sustainable long-term or just a short-term adventure? Incentives might come with strings attached. Make sure you understand all the requirements. Take Sarah, for example, a YouTuber who moved to Spain with her family. She documented the entire process, from the initial excitement to the challenges of integrating into a new community. Her channel grew rapidly because she was authentic, realistic, and provided valuable tips based on her experience. So you found your dream destination and you're ready to take the leap. Here's how to make your transition as smooth as possible. Start by visiting the country if possible, and really immerse yourself in the local culture. Create a budget that accounts for the initial move and ongoing expenses. Remember, the incentives might not cover everything. Join expat communities online, reach out to locals, and start building your network before you arrive. From securing housing to understanding local laws, start preparing early to avoid last-minute stress. Are you ready to start your new adventure? If this video helped you get one step closer to living your dream abroad, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more travel tips and inspiration. Thanks for watching. Next up, Top 10 Budget-Friendly Countries for Digital Nomads. Don't miss it.